Here are the top 5 lawnmower brands from the SALTEX show this year. Let us know which one you think is the best in the comments below. First on the list is Hayter. In my opinion, the best looking lawnmowers on the market right now. We're immediately taken back by the Harrier Pro model. It's got a rear roller, 10 amp battery and a seemingly never ending runtime. There's a lot to love about this machine. Petrol and battery options are available and the cut quality remains the same across their range, but their battery technology that they share with their parent company Toro is what does it for me. The Hayter Pro 43, it's a 60 volt 10 ampere battery, is coming in at around about £1,400. It's got an aluminium cut deck and has this handy little hose connection where you can plug in your hose to keep your mower deck clean. This will definitely be on my Christmas list this year. The Harrier Pro Tour covers 7 venues across the UK between the 3rd and 14th of March 25. You can go to their website here to register if you want to go and test out some of these mowers. Second on the list is Cobra. You'll have seen us testing the Fortis battery last year, but SALTEX has given them a chance to exhibit their professional range, and we took a look at the Cobra 25. This thing's a beast. It's big and heavy. It's a serious mower for the biggest fine lawns and also the sports turf pitches too. A lot more affordable than some of the competition on the market. The Fortis 20-inch comes in petrol for around about £1,400, and it does have changeable cartridges, so you can do more than just cut the grass. You can scarify, brush, aerate, all with this one lawnmower, making it a hit with bowls and cricket clubs at the moment. We like the look of the professional rotary range. It looks solid, robust and competitively priced too, and because of the enormous distribution support from parent company Henton and Chattel, the next day delivery option is available on most lawnmowers. Supporting their enormous range is the choice of lawn tools such as strimmers, scarifiers, fertiliser spreaders and ride-on mowers that you can see here. We can't wait to get our hands on one of these. Third on the list, it's Weibang. Now this is a good looking stand. They put a lot of effort into their stand this year at SALTEX, and what we liked is again the range beyond lawn mowers, scarifiers and aerators too. We spoke to someone on the stand and they told us that their USP, what separates them from the competition, is that they stock all of their spare parts. So if you're a lawn care professional and losing your lawnmower just isn't an option, then it will be repaired in no time at all. It wasn't a massive range, but what they do with exceptional quality and reliability. If you've got a large lawn and you want one of the most robust mowers on the market, then Weibang should definitely be where you start your search. I was surprised with the Virtue 46, really competitively priced at £749 for a professional grade mower. I expected the price to be a lot higher for this kind of quality and reliability. It didn't have a rear roller, but of course you can get the Virtue brush kit for only £300, and that just bolts to the front and helps you give a stripe. Another worthy mention was the roller mower, the Legacy 48 Pro, around about £1,500. Steel split roller at the back, packed with features. You can also get the Legacy brush kit for this one for around about £280. So one of the Weibang mowers made it into our top 3 rotary mowers at SALTEX this year. If you follow us, you'll see when this video comes out. Fourth on the list, and not uncommon on our channel, it's Allett mowers. And if you know Allett, they are all about the stripe. Great to see their stand at SALTEX this year. We tested the Cambridge, of course, last year. That's one of their domestic range, but this is a chance for Allett to show off their professional range, and that started with the Sterling Pro model. Really popular again with bowls and sports clubs and fine turf lawns. Cartridge system changes out in about 10-15 seconds, so you can do way more than just cut with this mower, and that Sterling Pro 20-inch is going to come in at just under £6,000 including the VAT. That's going to get you the 10 ampere battery and 10 blade cylinder. Again, for the home lawn, you've got the Cambridge 43 for around £2,100, but I have a huge range of cylinder mowers, for every budget and every application, for home lawns, cricket, pitches, bowls, croquet. Check them all out at allett.co.uk. And the last one on the list, and probably the biggest surprise, it's DeWalt. Yes, DeWalt, I won't lie, it was the very recognisable and bold yellow that first caught my eye on the DeWalt stand, but that quickly changed. I looked at 3 very different looking mowers that were packed with features that I just hadn't seen before, and it's clear that DeWalt are trying to enter the lawn care market. Given the quality of their hand tools, why not? The range of battery mowers were forward thinking, gave a real sense that DeWalt were thinking about the end user here, and just look how small this mower folds up on end. There's a 2-blade system. I haven't seen this before, not sure if you have, let us know. But as for the cut deck, it's super shallow, and again I asked DeWalt why this was, and it's a deliberate design feature because it makes it way more efficient, creates more lift, and that in turn will help the batteries last a little bit longer. It's a fully featured mowers. They've got side discharge, mulching plugs, collection, everything you'd expect from a lawn mower these days, and I'm pretty sure DeWalt will end up carving out a corner of this lawn mower market. So that's the top 5 mower brands from the SALTEX show this year. Let us know which ones you liked, which ones we missed off the list, and we're going to be doing top 3 cylinder mowers and top 3 rotary mowers, so give us a follow to see those videos when they come out.